How does a China sourcing agent source FF&E for a hotel, a school, an apartment building, or an office? This is a furniture factory's test lab, an office chair loaded with weight bags and cycled again and again, with fabric and finish samples running on the wear testers beside it. Foshan in Guangdong is home to the world's largest furniture manufacturing and trading cluster. FBM Sourcing is a furniture and building material sourcing agent in Guangzhou, China, focused on commercial construction projects, with more than 10 years of hands-on project experience. We source complete loose furniture packages, beds, wardrobes, desks and tables, sofas and seating, and the metal and mesh pieces that go with them. We have delivered the whole FF&E package on dozens of large commercial projects, a University of Melbourne student accommodation project, for example, where we supplied the furniture for 900 rooms. Sometimes 3 projects ship in the same batch, 20-odd containers going out together. It starts with what you send us, your drawings, your FF&E schedule, and your own requirements, certifications, fire ratings, rub counts, finishes. From those we match every item to the right factory, where an item has to be certified, fire certification for example. Our first move is to place it with a factory that already holds that certificate. Where none does, we have the certification done against your order. China's supply chain is specialized down to a fine grain. One plant does solid wood case goods, another slim metal-framed pieces, another upholstery and sofas, another board-based furniture. Over more than 10 years of project work, we have built up a deep bench of these specialists, all established mid to large plants. Our clients build mid to high-end projects, and low-end work is not what we take on. On a large project, the FF&E for an apartment building of several hundred units, you normally want a sample first. We have it made to your drawings and your requirements, sent to you for approval, and only once you have signed that sample off does bulk production start. What you are seeing here is the line of a large plant that does nothing but office furniture, a mechanized production line, and its own quality testing lab on site. The chair you saw at the start is exactly that, seat and back loaded and cycled, moving parts opened and closed thousands of times, surfaces run on wear testers, with the raw material traceable back to the labeled stock on the shelf. That is how hundreds of identical chairs end up behaving like the one sample you signed off. When the goods are finished, we go to the factory ourselves and inspect them. Every detail checked against your order and your drawings, item by item, order by order. Whatever does not match is put right at the factory first. The inspection report, with photos and video, reaches you before the goods move. Sofas and mattresses travel bagged and boxed, case furniture is corner protected and cartoned, metal frames are bundled and wrapped. Sometimes on a large project, the furniture alone fills many full containers. Sometimes the furniture shares containers with the other product categories of the same project, and sometimes in one batch, we combine a dozen or more product categories from several projects of the same client into a few containers, always full containers. And for us, this is routine, well-practiced work. The loading report maps every carton to its project and room type before the containers leave. Your FF&E arrives assembled or flat-packed with assembly instructions, item by item as your schedule lists it. If your installation team has a question on site, you ask us directly. Every product carries its own warranty period. Within that period, if a genuine product quality problem appears, we look after it, replacement parts free of charge, or another remedy we agree with you, with the freight on your side. Planning a hotel, apartment building, office, or other commercial building. For full container projects, send us your drawings and BOQ. FBM Sourcing, your China sourcing agent for building materials and furniture. FBMsourcing.com.